Ready to bend Midjourney to your artistic will using the power of reference images. First, ensure you're in a Midjourney channel and type Imagine to initiate a prompt. Now, drag and drop your reference image directly into the Discord chat window once uploaded. Copy its image address. Right-click the image and select Copy Image Address. Paste that image address into your Imagine prompt. Then add a space and describe the image you want Midjourney to create, drawing inspiration from your reference. To refine further, use parameters aspect ratio, specified with AR, alters dimensions, and style raw helps maintain the fidelity of your reference's stylistic elements. Midjourney will now generate 4 variations based on your reference image and description. If one catches your eye, upscale it using the U buttons for a higher resolution version. Or, use the V buttons to create more variations based on a specific generation. Experiment with different images, descriptions, and parameters to truly master the art of egg-witted creation now. Go forth and make some magic.